some kind of town center. Georgetown Center में Montgomery County office building garage. So this is some township, new township, full of traffic. Maryland Avenue that goes into this. Maryland Avenue goes into DC also. This one. So we are close to DC somewhere. Outskirts, lost in traffic, and the best part is town center. What town center? Nobody knows. This is Maryland Avenue. Look, it says town center. So what town center are we talking about? Nobody knows. If you're not from here, you no need to know which town center you are in, which township you are in. Oh, Pakistani township. Yes, it is township. Greentown township. Look, town center. Oh, which town center we are in? Which town are we in? No, tell me. Yeah. We are close to Great Falls. But still we don't know which town center we crossed. Look, we go like this, turn like this, and Great Fall. Photo enforced. So we take photo, they take photo. Then they send our photo to get money. We send photo free of cost. Government sends photo. Yes, that's fun. Let's see if we can find. Look, it says photo enforced. So government takes photo and it sends to you to get money. Then you pay them government money. We take photo and it is free. We send free everywhere, free of cost. No money involved. It is waiting for its photo to be taken in the middle of the road. Oh, that is the photo camera. That is the photo camera government take for pictures. Look, we go on real road, real highway road. Lost in traffic, lost in.
Right on I-270 local south.
Okay, that is for non-local. This road for local.
Then keep right onto I-270 south.
This is going towards Virginia. Oh, why you come in front of me? I am making movie. You come in front of me. No respect for. You get lost, you take a long route, go back home. Right? Right.
3.7 miles. Keep right onto I-270 south. Then keep right.
Okay. Although you have GPS, but it gives you wrong direction sometimes. Because we don't know where the GPS is reading it from. We don't know go to.
I-270 south. Then keep right.
That going to Washington, that going to Silver Spring, this going to Washington, Northern Virginia. Okay, we go this way. Okay. You
Right
say,
onto I-270 spur south.
okay, ma'am. Okay. We go this way.
Drive 9.2 miles on I-270 spur south.
Well, 9.2 miles. Where are you taking me to? Eh? Where is this GPS taking me? 9.2 miles. I'm not 9.2 miles from home. It's taking me 9.2 miles on this highway. Okay. Guachi Gaon, lost cow, is on the road. Can't find go back home. How to go back home? Look, they put these cones. No. Cutting what? Grass? In winters? What is this? Taking down the hill now. Now we go down the hill all the way down. Then it's going to take us up the hill 9 miles. What kind of... Where is it taking me to? I think we are lost. GPS is lost. Completely lost. गवाच गया, GPS भी गवाच गया, मैं भी गवाच गया. लो, चलो. टुटिया गडिया, this is what is going to happen. Car break down, you stand on the side of the road. Call the tow truck to take you home. Eh? What is this? No. I think this road is going down into the Great Fall, into the water. Look, down the hill. Straight down the hill into the Great Fall water, lake. Look, it says River Road. Dangerous. This is dangerous, very, very dangerous road, I think. I need to get out of this. I'm driving 70 miles an hour. What are these driving? Oh, this truck is driving faster than me. What is this? What kind of car is this? I'm driving 70 miles an hour. This. Oh, what is going on? Everybody passing me. Eh? What is happening over here to me? Everybody is going down the hill very fast. It's going to be in the movie like it goes off the road into the water. I'm driving like 75 now and I can't keep up with them. Oh, this is a 9 mile down the hill road. Look, even the truck is going down the hill. Fast, rapid. It's going to end up in a water lake. Great Falls. What is happening? Look. Going down the hill faster. Look. 80 miles an hour. Dun, dun, dun. I overtook this truck. This is going down the hill. No, another. Look, I overtook that truck. This tractor trailer with the cement is going faster than me. What is going on? I was going to beat that Raider truck. Langley, Great Falls, Virginia is coming. He's going to take you into that lake. I'm telling you. Just like movies. And if you take the easy pass, it takes you directly into the water. take us on the crane on that big building. Wolf Trap. This is going to Wolf Trap. What is going on? Why are they taking us to Wolf Trap? This is what happens if you get lost on a highway in US. No, you are dependent on the GPS and you are then roaming around like Avara Kuta.
7 miles. Take exit 46A.
So it's saying take Tyson Corner. I don't want to get cornered in a Tyson Corner.
123 south.
No. I no take that exit. You want me to get cornered in Tyson Corner? Okay, but I have no choice. Whatever you say, Miss GPS. Woo, that's cool. You go wherever GPS takes you. Hopefully it's turning around and going back. Where are we? I don't know. Under some cement construction, iron construction, building construction. What kind of place is this? This is Tyson Corner, I guess. It's not a corner. Okay, good then. We are safe. We didn't get cornered.
Then take round. On right. To Virginia.
Should we go up on that? Look, there's a round thingy on top. We can climb that. This is taking to Vienna. We are not going to Vienna.
Virginia 7 east. Then turn right.
Oi, Reston, Vienna. Where are we going?
2 miles. Turn right onto
I think we
Virginia
lost.
7 west.
GPS is more confused than I am. Look, it's going round and round and round and.
Turn right onto Virginia 7 west.
Why do I go this way and that way? This is. कित्थे ले गया मैंने वो? It is going round and round. I can tell you, I saw this building before.
Continue 8.3 miles on Virginia 7 west.
Oh, 8.3 miles. Where are we going again? I think up the hill. We most probably going up the hill now. Look, Lal Batti, red Batti is there now. What do I do, Miss GPS? There is Lal Batti. Look, red light. What do I do? GPS no talking now. No talking. What kind of GPS no helping at all? Look at this construction. It's like floating bridge. I think Miss GPS is completely confused. It's just taking us this way and that way and showing us building, and look, that building, Vinga, Chibi building. It's crooked. Look, Bentley store. Bentley, this is Bentley. I know want to buy Bentley. I no have money to buy Bentley. Look Bentley. Look over there, Bentley. I know. You still get towed. You see, if you buy Bentley, this is the tow truck for Bentley. Why should I spend so much money to buy Bentley and then get towed? I think it's getting confused with the Dallas airport. It doesn't know where I want to go. I want to go home. It is going round and round. Green light. Wow, good for the first time. I think Miss GPS thinks we are construction crew, bringing us to this construction area. What is this? Miss GPS, where are we going? Wolf Trap. Look, I saw Wolf Trap before. It's again Wolf Trap again. And now there is construction. I am no mood of construction today. It thinks I do construction, I get to go to construction area. Oh no! If you are not Bentley, then this kind of tow truck is going to tow you. No, it brought us to construction. I don't do construction, road construction, not my thingy majingy. Look, so much. They put this road and make new road. And this GPS thinks I need to come and work over here. I'm free today, but it doesn't mean I have to work today. But GPS, Miss GPS, take us back home. We want to go home. I don't know where it is going again. Look, it's all big construction equipment, big construction. What they're making a new highway, I guess. Look, putting and digging and doing all kind of funky stuff. Look at that, spraying charcoal. Left turn, right turn, detour. What is this? Watch your turning vehicles. What is this nonsense? Watch for this, watch for that. Nobody's watching themselves. I have to watch them. Eh? Yeah. Watch this, watch that. And what is this and what is that? Nobody knows. Detour. Okay. Merge, okay. Detour. How many times are you going to detour? Detour, okay. Straight this way, left and right, detour. What is this? Confusing. All confusing, Arsa. Confusing me. Hey, you stay in your lane. Your picture will come in the car, in the thing. Look, Wolf Trap green. This is Wolf Trap green. What is Wolf Trap green? There is a wolf trap and there is a potty box. If you get trapped in the wolf trap green, you can go do potty in that blue 5-star potty khana. You see that is what it is. Look, that blue truck is there also, coming to go to wolf trap green and do this, use this potty room. I've never seen a 5-star potty khana. Eh? Look, this smile on this face of this guy, girl, guy, whatever. You cannot tell over here in America, girl or boy or girl. You don't tell anybody. Look, one more 5-star potty khana. So many. They're looking for what, gold? Do you think they can find gold in this area? Maybe. That's the gold rush. Never seen a 5-star rating potty khana. Potty room. Look, that. Oh wow. I think the GPS is confused. Look at that. Chibi Wingi. What is it telling us? Now it is on that side, other side. Look, iron, steel, stuff. So if there is no hill, they make a hill. Look, that is artificially made hill. They love Vingachibi Road. What is crooked road? Look. No potty house for these guys. Poor guys. Only for wolf trap. If you are wolf trapped by the wolf, then you have potty room. 5-star. Wow. Look. It's been almost 2 minutes and we are still lost. And GPS has not uttered a word. For medical emergency. Now we need to go to a medical emergency. Okay. You go to hospital, say, okay, we cannot find home. How do we go home? Medical emergency. Is that a medical emergency? Oh, you tell them, I'm going to have a heart attack, so take me home. Then ambulance can make money. Bring me back here. This is from West Virginia. This has a crane and all that kind of funky stuff and a generator up there I can see in the back of the truck. Heavy duty truck. Big time. No. Same, they are lost. All of these people are lost. Look, that yellow tow truck is still going in front of us. One side is crane, the other side is secret stuff covered in plastic. Very top secret, US top secret truck going. One side is crane, I can tell that. The other side, top secret, plastic, covered in plastic. So nobody can look at what it is. Secret, top secret, very top secret. Driving by Spanish guys. If your microwave broken, there is microwave over there. Communication, you can put boti in front of the microwave and cook it. Oh, be careful. Fines are doubled over here. Speed limit is 45, everybody driving at 65. They apply brake when they see red light. I keep the tow truck in front of me just in case my car breaks down because of the amount of travel I'm doing with this GPS, confused GPS, lost GPS. Lost in traffic because of GPS. Yes. Oi, Allah da wasta le ja ghar. Look, red light after red light after red light. All this to make this travel fun. Meadow Farms entrance. This is what kind of Meadow Farms is this? This is all rubbish.
In 0.5 miles, turn right on Georgetown Pike, then turn left.
Chalo. GPS is saying turn right. Okay, we turn right now. I don't know where we are, but that's okay. GPS, we follow GPS. Confused.
Turn right on Georgetown Pike, then turn left.
Confused GPS. This is very, very confused GPS. Georgetown Pike, Leeburg, same Leeburg and what is this? Oh, this one. Right here. It says turn over here. Turn over here.
left
We
on
turn.
Seneca Road.
Oh, this
left
I
on
know now.
Seneca
Now
Road.
I know this. This goes straight to George. That Great Falls. Now I know the road. From here it is about. It has taken the long route. We'll have to travel back 25 miles at least, or 30 miles on this road straight. Judge.
1.1 miles. Then turn left on Kentland Drive.
No. You go wherever you want to go. I go straight. I go to home now. You GPS stop talking to me now. Left and right and left. No. I know where I'm going now. I'm going straight home. I know this road. This rich people road. Rich people houses road. Look. All these rich people houses. Big fat. Nope. This poor people house. This two poor people house. This rich people house. Let's see. That rich people house. Look. Tully Estates. Tully Estates. Eh? Look at this house. Ooh la la. Filthy rich people live this village. Look at the castle.
Turn left on Kentland Drive.
I know no turn on any drive. I go where I know. I know how to reach now. I look poor people working on rich people farms.
On right.
Now we are in Great Falls area. Acreage for sale. Up and down, down and up and down. Rich people house. One more small, not very rich. Plantation Road. Yeah, there's going to be slaves over here, maybe. Ooh, look at that.
In 0.1 miles.
Look at that.
Arriving at address 607. On right.
Oh, Chupagara, we go home. You do whatever you want. Look at that house. Look at this house. What kind of a house is this? Kya baat hai. Wait, this is also rich people house. Very, very rich people house. Extremely rich people house.